sorry. It's pretty late. Well, when you're seeing this, it's pretty early. So, good morning, challengers. It's very late. It's almost midnight. And I just finished my challenge from yesterday. So, day number 2. Um, I just want to thank you, first of all, for all your amazing answers and all your struggles. And you're so inspiring. You just keep on walking, even though it's hard. I have read some pretty amazing stories, and you should too. If you are not reading the other challengers' stories, you should. There's a lot of information and a lot of inspiration and a lot of motivation. So when this gets tough, and it will, I promise, please look at the wall on Debbeville Facebook page and read all the inspiring stories. I'm sitting here and I'm always crying because it's amazing to see people they're hanging in there and they're fighting and they're doing it anyway, even though it's hard, even though that there will always be challenges or outside coming things that will make it harder for you. So it's your choice to keep on walking and to just kick ass and to finish the challenge. It's your life, it's your choice. So I'm so happy that you're still with us. It's day number 3 now. So we're almost halfway through. And today's challenge is about looking at what is limiting you. So what could that be? I just wanted to make a short video like yesterday. I'm pretty tired. I had a really long day. I was running a course for a lot of people, 8 hours. I just got back home. I just finished my challenge. And I just wanted to say hi to you guys. So today you're going to look at the limitations. How am I limiting myself? And just continue asking yourself the question. You have the guideline in the challenge of today, which is in your emails, which is how you got to this video. So how can I be limiting myself? A few years ago, I was asked the same question and I couldn't really answer it. I don't know, how am I limiting myself? So one of the answers I came up with was that I constantly wait for people to knock on my door to ask if I want to play. And if I want to achieve my dreams, I don't have the time to sit around and wait for people to knock on my door and ask if I want to play with them. I need to knock on some people's doors. So that's a way of describing how I'm limiting myself. That could be one of the ways. It's not for sure that it's your way, but just keep asking yourself the question, in which way am I standing in my own way? What is it that I do, that I continue to do to stand in my own way, to keep myself away from my goal? What is it? What kind of stories am I telling myself? Yeah, and please, again, like I said yesterday, if you need any help, like I said yesterday, if you need any help, use the other challengers, use me, I'm there. Ask. So really, if you have a struggle, please use the other challengers, please use me. You don't have to walk this path alone. We're all here with you and we want to see you succeed and we want to see you become a challenger. So I'm sorry I'm not wearing a lot of makeup and blah blah blah. I don't think that's the point here. I'm just me and you're just you, and we are kick-ass challengers, and I'm so excited to do the challenge. And for the record, it's okay that the challenge of today, that it might hurt a little bit. It's not really fun and amazing and playful to look at your limitations, but it's necessary if you want the kick-ass year that we all long for, and which is the reason that we're all here. So if you want that, it's okay. Just feel the pain and just recognize that this is just a pain that I'm feeling. It's just a feeling. It doesn't mean anything. It's just a feeling, like joy or happiness or frustration or anything else. It's just a feeling. Just keep on walking, look at it, look at your limitations, and know that it is all right. It doesn't mean that you're a bad person. It doesn't mean that you're not good enough. It just means that you're honest. And your honesty is gonna be the thing that's going to push you through this. So be as honest to yourself as you can, and let honesty be a gift for today.